Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Front, which is an easy and fast help desk software. We'll go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Front as it is, and we can compare it to other CRMs like Monday or DeepTalk, Zohodesk, and many more. So let's start. What is Front? Front is an efficient yet easy to follow help desk software, which is available in both SaaS and as well as a web-based version. It can be run on multiple platforms like Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. The software enables you to select owners for every messages, take care of customers' complaints faster via shared drafts and comments, automate replies with rules, exceed customer SLAs, etc. The tool allows clustering all communication channels in one place, like Twitter, phone calls, email support, chat, Facebook, and more. For using this software, one does not require undergoing any sort of training. Front comes featured with automated routing, incident management, ticket management, etc. They are based in California, in San Francisco, and is mainly used by bigger businesses, that being medium, large, but even a small one. But if you are an individual, I don't see how you can use this as efficient as the businesses itself. You can run it in your web browser. At the moment, I'm running it in Google Chrome, and it runs perfect. You can use it on your mobile phone, Android, iOS. It's not a problem. And also you can install it in your Windows and Mac as well. What is really great about Front is that they are providing very nice options of free trial. Then, as it is a custom, you can go with subscription, and also if you are on an enterprise level, you can get a quotation if you need something special. It's really easy to create your own free trial, but at the moment, we can do it as quickly as this. You just go with your email, which is pretty straightforward. Your name, company, job title, we can go with CEO, company size, 1 to 10 employees. And since we are in Europe, especially Slovakia, we can go with our mobile number. At the moment, we have to create ourselves a password, and also on our account, as they say, we should receive an authentication email, or at least those 7 symbols. Let me check. At the moment, we don't have any. It can be a while. For example, with get response, we waited more than 1 hour, which is not the optimal solution or optimal situation. At the moment, yes, we don't have anything from Front, which is kind of sad, because I would like to, let's just duplicate it and cover more. I would love to proceed with Front. At the moment, okay, 382452. But obviously I'm a clever guy, so I pressed it more. But there is an option for you to sign in with Google as well, and you don't have to go through a lot of unpleasant filling ups. So let's go like this. Like this. Yeah, and here we are. Straight away, we have a couple of options of pre-made operations that that Front made for us. But other than that, it's pretty simple CRM. I would compare it to ClickUp actually, because of this left sidebar. Also, as you can see, you can invite your teammates quite easily, add team in box. Yeah, we won't need that at the moment. But yeah, once we are here, I'm really having the strong ClickUp vibes, or even maybe a Trello, but I feel like this is a little bit more in the fog, like it's not so easy to read. Obviously, on the top left corner, you have your inbox where you can check your emails. Very useful thing is you can also integrate it through the APIs. For more integrations with, I don't know, for example, a Gmail or any other provider of your email. If you trust someone else, it's completely up to you. I believe it will be very well handled. So also you can implement your calendars. You can do basically every single thing that you can do in every single CRM program. Then, as you can see, we have the calendar, and straight away we can add Google Calendar or Office 365, which is completely up to you. Depends on which one you're running, but also you can integrate Google Sheets, you can integrate many more options with Front. I don't know if I feel like I would pick it, or I would pick Front over ClickUp, or over Trello, or I don't know, some other CRM. But I feel solid feelings about it. Like Monday.com is pretty easy to use as well. And once you are trying to choose which CRM you prefer or you are going to run in your company, you also have to think about your employees and the time, or how long will them take to actually learn how to operate in the CRM you chose for them. Money-wise, when we are trying to get the pricings, they are all in American dollars, which we have a starter pack, prime pack, and enterprise pack. In enterprise, obviously, every single feature is unlocked, and starter to prime is a good way of actually doing the bundles among the CRM programs. You don't have the CRM integrations in starter, and that's the game breaker. That's why you want to pay at least for a prime, which is $49. So yeah, then you get CRM integrations, some analytics, and advanced workflows, which is not the bread and butter for you, but it can most certainly help. Obviously, as I said before, in enterprise level, you have everything unlocked. So yeah, but you are paying twice. If you're being like the biggest of the enterprises, you can still use a quotation if you feel like they doesn't really meet your needs with enterprise. Starter, I would say, is only good for you if you really think that you can, if you really think that you need time to choose the CRM, and if the Front is really the one for you. But on the other hand, you can still use their free version. I believe it's for 14 days, and also it's completely free. But if you need more time, you have to pay or create some other account. Well, I think that will be the best for us if I create more videos about how to invite your team members, and not complicate it in one long videos. I will leave the links underneath this video for you to actually click on and learn more about yet another steps in performing front app. So up until then, guys, thank you for watching. If you have any types of questions for me about front, how to get your free trial, or how to subscribe, or basically anything you can come up with, please leave it underneath this video and I'll answer it as quickly as possible. Up until then, thanks for watching and have a great day.